Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The Wolseley Swinging Bridge is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the small town of Wolseley, Saskatchewan. Stretching approximately 100 meters across Fairlie Lake, this pedestrian suspension bridge is known for its gentle sway as people walk across it, giving it the name Swinging Bridge. Fairlie Lake itself was created in the early 20th century. In 1902, the Canadian Pacific Railway built a dam across a local creek to form the lake, which served as a water source for steam trains traveling through the area. With the new lake dividing parts of the town, residents needed a convenient way to cross. In 1905, the first version of the swinging bridge was constructed. It provided a direct pedestrian route across the water, saving people from having to walk all the way around the lake. Over time, the bridge became both a practical crossing and a local attraction. However, the bridge has faced challenges over the years, particularly from strong prairie winds. The original structure was blown down in 1954. A replacement bridge was built in the 1960s, but it too was destroyed by high winds in 1991. The current bridge, completed in 2004, is the third version. It was designed to be stronger and more durable, while still maintaining the same classic swinging motion that visitors expect. Today, the Wolseley Swinging Bridge is no longer just a practical crossing, it's a destination. Thousands of people walk across it each year, drawn by its unique movement and the scenic views over Fairlie Lake. The surrounding area, with its historic buildings and peaceful setting, adds to the experience. Wolseley, Saskatchewan is a small prairie town with a population of just over 1,000 people, located in the southeastern part of the province along the Trans-Canada Highway. Known for its tree-lined streets and historic character, Wolseley stands out as one of the more visually distinctive communities on the prairies. It serves as a local center for the surrounding agricultural region while also preserving a strong sense of its past. Before the town was established, this land was part of the traditional territory of Indigenous peoples, including the Cree and Assiniboine. These communities lived in close relationship with the land, following seasonal patterns and relying on the natural resources of the plains. Their history here extends back generations and forms the earliest chapter of human life in the area. Wolseley began to take shape in the early 1880s, during a time of rapid expansion across Western Canada. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway was central to its development. When the railway was completed in 1885, it connected eastern Canada to the Pacific coast and opened the region to settlement. Wolseley quickly became an important stop along the rail line, supporting transportation, trade, and communication. As settlers arrived from eastern Canada, Britain, and Europe, Wolseley grew into a busy agricultural service center. Farms spread across the surrounding landscape, and the town developed businesses, schools, and churches to support the growing population. Wheat farming became the backbone of the local economy, shaping daily life in the region. One of the most notable features of Wolseley is its historic downtown, which has been carefully preserved over time. Many of the buildings date back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, giving the town a unique architectural character. In recognition of this, Wolseley has been designated as a heritage village, highlighting its importance as one of the best preserved small towns in Saskatchewan. A defining element of Wolseley's landscape is the man-made lake that runs through the community. This lake was created in the late 1800s by damming a portion of the local waterway, adding both beauty and function to the town. It has become a central feature of the community, offering scenic views and contributing to the town's reputation as a picturesque stop along the Prairie Highway. During the early 20th century, Wolseley continued to grow as agriculture expanded across the region. Grain elevators became an important part of the town's identity, serving as collection points for farmers bringing in their harvests. These structures symbolize the connection between local agriculture and global markets, as grain was shipped by rail to destinations far beyond the prairies. Like many small towns, Wolseley experienced changes as the 20th century progressed. Advances in farming technology reduced the need for large numbers of workers, and improved transportation made it easier to travel to larger centers. While the population declined from its peak, the town adapted by focusing on preserving its heritage and maintaining a strong community identity. The surrounding landscape reflects the natural beauty of southeastern Saskatchewan, with gently rolling farmland and wide, open skies. The seasons bring dramatic changes, from the green growth of spring to the golden fields of summer and the quiet stillness of winter. These natural cycles continue to shape both the work and lifestyle of the people who live here. Wolseley reflects the broader story of settlement across the Canadian prairies. It stands as an example of how transportation, agriculture, and determination came together to build lasting communities in a challenging environment. Its preserved buildings and landscapes offer a clear connection to that history, making it a place where the past remains visible. Today, Wolseley continues as a small but active community, balancing its agricultural roots with its role as a heritage destination. Its location along a major highway keeps it accessible, while its character sets it apart. For travelers, it offers a chance to experience both the history and the quiet beauty of prairie life. Wolseley's story is one of growth, adaptation, and preservation, set against the wide open backdrop of Saskatchewan. For those who take the time to explore it, Wolseley reveals a depth and charm that leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching!